I don't need to use that.
Mama's new iPhone. iPhone 12.
It's super small, the box, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Wow.
Color blue. The only thing that is inside is this wire, right?
Oh, there's no plastic on it.
Oh, no,
I
no
think,
more
yeah, there's no
plastic.
plastic.
Only the wire,
It's
that's
only
it?
the charger.
Wow.
So I need to buy also the adapter. Oh, we can use only the adapter we have.
So you have an Apple sticker.
Yeah, I have it. As usual.
So turn it on. Maybe it has some juice.
It's really like how do you call this?
Oh, that's the question. How do you call this?
How to turn this on, Panga?
Well, it should be like the other iPhone, like your iPhone XS or 10s. So this is a 6.1 OLED screen, unlike the iPhone XS. That was only 5.8 inches.
But I won't put the SIM card of mine here because I still don't have the it's only still have the
How many percent?
It's like 50% or 60%.
So it means we need to first now put in our data here before we continue, right? I will stop the video. So das ist die Kamera hier, die Sony. That's the camera, Sony IMX372. Ah, perfect for videos. Absolutely perfect for videos. The smartphone is also lightweight.
With a lot of
One-
fingerprints.
Yeah, you can already see the fingerprints. It's only this is only 162 grams. The iPhone
How
12.
many gigabyte is this, Papa?
I think the
60.
RAM, 4 GB RAM, and the ROM, I don't know, I need to check it. So
It's the
I was-
automatic, right?
starting the video, yeah.
So why here is
It's-
like dark, the color?
Maybe it's still not installed everything.
It's still only just maybe. Why are you laughing?
I'm
What's
not.
funny?
Nothing is funny. You will play now our first YouTube video. Check the
Let me see first.
the stereo speakers. Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. Oh. How does it sound? It should be like the iPhone XS. No big difference. The resolution of the screen is Full HD Plus.
Der hier. Und die da.
Turn it around.
Dieser hier. Und diese coole Dame. Solche Leute nennen wir bei Fanta
Oh, that's loud.
bunte
Yeah, pretty loud.
It's
Persönlichkeiten.
louder than the one
Und
I
wir
have.
brauchen mehr Leute, die Farbe in den
Louder
Alltag
than my
bringen,
pen.
damit Langeweile keine Chance hat.
Oh, what? Oh, you're not allowed to play this.
Bunny, you look at me and
So how does it sound? Oh, this is boring. This is
this only started.
not really a video.
Maybe I forward it. It's not. It's not really. It's only a background music.
Sounds very good. Very good.
Look at my nails.
Very loud, right?
Not even that's the part. Not nice, my nails.